the seat, turn it. There we go. Hey, what's your name?
Eddy.
Are you ready to skydive?
Let's do it.
Alright. You got to put your hands in the harness? There you go. Stand up there. What do you think of that?
That was so boss, dude. So boss.
Tell me to do again then, huh?
Unbelievable. Yeah, I already planned the second one before we even hit the ground, man.
Nice.
Unbelievable.
Well, let me get a big thumbs up out of you.
Unbelievable.
See,
Thank you.
happy.